Hi, hello Indians in BDH. I am Harish and welcome to the Desi team. The day before tomorrow we are having the boat race and it will start at 12:30 B before time, that is at 11 o'clock or something, so that you can enjoy the event. There are many stalls and there are many food festivals. You can enjoy the event, or if you have any part-time jobs, or if you have any other things, you can schedule it to 12:30, but be on time. If you don't be on time, your number will be moved back and the substitutes will be added into the team, and in that case you will miss the team. So let's start what we need to do in the race. We have got many queries. I have got many queries that asking about the trails about the team, trails about the race. There is a trail, it seems, but it was like we have to take the boat from the from the river side, from the seaside to the boat racing point, it seems. So that's the trail where you can practice how to do that. And in the meanwhile, they have also sent me some tips and things like that, and I can't explain them to you in words, so I have been doing this in the form of a video. First thing is how to race. These race they will make all the team members sit in the form of weight. For example, if you weigh about 60 kgs, and if there is a person who weighs about 50 kgs, and if there is another person who weighs about 70 kgs, the middle weight, the huge weight person, like for example 70 kgs, will be in the middle, and the front part will be having a very low weight people, like for example 40 kgs person, like or any other person, and at the back side it would be an average side person. So this is how the boat will stand. Remember the sequence. Front there will be small weight people, and in the middle there will be heavy size people, and then in the last there will be a normal size people. So this is how the boat will stand. And on the other hand, about the points, there are 3 points in the race. For example, the starting point, the middle point, and the middle point is and the turning point. Starting point is where we start the race. You shall have a sound like, for example, we shall not start directly with the beat sound. There will be a sound like guntalakadi gulla 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 hoo ha, something like that. For example, guntalakadi gulla 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 hoo ha hoo, it will be guntalakadi on one side, gulla 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 on the other side, and hoo ha on two sides. Like for example, guntalakadi gulla 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 hoo ha, something like that. But you will not drive on both the sides. You will not do the paddling on both sides. You will do only on one side. So for example, guntalakadi means guntalakadi gulla 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 hoo ha. That's how the beating will go on the starting point of the boat. And in the middle, the beat will come like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's the fast beat. Like for example, like that, the sound will come like that. So where you start doing it much faster, and at the ending point where you have to take a turn, the big boat needs to take a turn and come back to the first starting point. So here is where you just stop paddling and you just sit. The back person of the boat, he will just do the operation for the boat to turn from one side to the other. This is how it works. I will again recall the points. The starting point, it's guntalakadi gulla 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 hoo ha, and everybody will shout hoo ha, and they will be paddling. And in the middle, the beat sound will come. It's the fast beat, and you need to do much faster than possible. And at the last stage where we need to take a turn, you should not do any kind of paddling. If you do any kind of paddling there, the boat will turn upside down. So you should not do any kind of paddling at the last point. And after you take a turn, then again the same sequence continues. First the fast beat comes, and then guntalakadi gulla 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 hoo ha at the last it will come. So the starting point and the ending point, you will use the words guntalakadi gulla 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 hoo ha, and in the middle a fast beat comes, and in the turning point you will not do any paddling. This is how it works. And You will be getting some t-shirts, free t-shirts, and you will also be getting the safety kit. And as I said, it depends upon the list who have enrolled into the list. If you are not in the list, we are sorry, we can't do that, because there are already 26 people who are involved in the list. But you please come there. If somebody misses their turn, you can be a substitute who can get into the team. But there are only vacancy for 21 people. Now there are almost 26 people who are added into the team. So please be quick. Whenever you come fast, you can do that. You can be in the team, or else you will miss the team. And see you on day after tomorrow, that is on Friday, 6th at 12:30 or before. Bye.